Hi everyone, welcome to Revitalize video series. In this module, we are going to cover the foundation of immune system. So we're going to cover what the immune system is, the key components of the immune system, and what are the key factors that can impact the immune system. So this foundation is actually will be used for all the techniques that we are going to cover in the following parts that can help you to just boost your immune system and improve your vitality. So if you're ready to explore, let's dive in. All right, let's talk about the body superhero defense system, which is the immune system. So the immune system is the body natural defense mechanism designed to identify, neutralize, and also eliminate harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. So let's just imagine two people. Person A, who got a strong immune system. So whenever he catch the cold, he or she has mild symptom and quick recovery. While person B with weak immune system may have severe symptoms and also longer illness. There are a number of different factors that influence the immune system, and then that's going to be our focus in this video series to cover those things like nutrition, sleep, or stress level. So immune system operates through a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together to protect the body from infection and also maintain the overall health. So there are like a number of key functionality within this immune system. So the very first one is the recognition of threat. So the immune system distinguishes between self, which is the body cells, and also non-self, which is the foreign invaders. Also, there are two main branches of the immune system: innate immunity and also adaptive immunity, which I'm going to cover in more details. And then another functionality is the memory function of the immune system. So the immune system remember previous infections, and also these memory cells enable a faster and a stronger response if the same virus or bacteria attack again. So the immune system's effectiveness relies on balance relies on the balanced immune system. So overactivity and underactivity can lead to health issues. So for underactive immune system, it can lead to increased susceptibility to infection and also slower recovery. It also is and the common cause for this, it can be like nutrition deficiencies, chronic stresses, and lack of sleep. On the other side, overactive immune system can result in autoimmune disorder where the body attack its own tissues, and it can cause chronic inflammation, which is linked to conditions like heart disease or diabetes. So the immune system operates like a highly coordinated military base with three essential components working together. So we got the organs, which can, the analogy for that can be the command and training center. So the thymus and also bone marrow function as the military training academies, where immune cells are developed and trained for the duty. We also have these spleen and lymph nodes, which act as a civilian's hubs, acting to control tower, where immune cells gather intelligence, interact, and plan coordinated responses. We also have cells, which are the soldiers and cleanup crew. So we have T cells and B cells, which serve as the specialized soldier, expertly trained to identify any attack, specific invader with a very good precision. We also have macrophages, which act as the janitor of the battlefield, so to cleaning debris after the battle and also calling in reinforcement when the fight intensifies. We also have molecules within the immune system, which are more like a kind of the weapon and also communication lines. We have antibodies, which function like guided missiles, locking onto a specific pathogen with incredible accuracy to neutralize them. And also we have like cytokines, which serves as the communication network, transmitting critical message between units and also to ensure that the immune response is well coordinated and effective. So the immune system, as I mentioned, is composed of two complementary branches: innate immunity and adaptive immunity, which work together to protect the body from infection and also maintaining overall health. So in innate immunity is the first line of defense, so which is more like a kind of body's non-specific immediate response to any potential threat. It is present from the birth, and also it does not require prior exposure to a pathogen. So the key features include its targets all invaders in the same way, regardless of the specific type of pathogen, and also it responds within the minute to hours to of detecting any threat. In terms of component, it got the physical barriers, things like skin that act as the physical shield to block pathogens from entering the body, and also it got the cellular defenses, like white blood cell that help to just destroy any invaders, and also it got molecular defenses like proteins that can amplify the immune response and also attack those pathogens. The key limitation of this part of the immune system is it cannot remember pathogens or adapt to better recognize them in the future. The adaptive immunity, which is the second branch, is more like a kind of a specialized defense. So it is more a sophisticated response that evolves over time and is highly specific to particular pathogens. So in terms of features, it's a specific defense which is tailored to recognize and also attack a particular pathogen. And also it has memory. So once exposed to a pathogen, the adaptive immune system remember it. So this memory actually allow for a faster and stronger response upon re-exposure to the same pathogen. So in terms of component, it got T cells, B cells, and that can help to build this adaptive immune system. So T cells is just more include things like helper T cells to coordinate the immune response, and B cells produce antibodies, which are proteins that bind to a specific pathogen and neutralize them. It also has the memory cells, which is both T cells and B cells create long-lasting memory cells to recognize and quickly respond to future encounters within the same pathogen. In terms of activation, unlike innate immunity, adaptive immunity requires time to develop to its response. So as it needs to identify the pathogen and also produce a specific weapon to combat it. So the way that they work, so the innate immune system act as the rapid response team, identifying threat and buying time for the adaptive system to mobilize. The adaptive immune system provide precision and also long-term protection, ensuring the body can effectively target a specific pathogen and also remember them for future defenses. Together, these two branches create a comprehensive defense system, immediate, broad-spectrum protection from innate immunity, and also long-lasting specific protection from adaptive immunity. So these collaboration actually ensure that the immune system can handle a wide variety of threats, from everyday bacteria to viruses or to very severe infections. So there are a number of factors that can influence the immune system. So the strength of the immune system is not just about biology. It's shaped by the environment and also choices. While genetics set the foundation, lifestyle factor act like the builder and maintainer of the immunity. So for example, poor sleep or chronic stress can weaken the immune system, much like a poorly maintained machine is prone to breakdown. Conversely, a balanced diet and also nutrition like vitamin C, zinc can boost their immunity, acting as a fuel for the body defenses. So genetic, as I mentioned, play a key role in determining the strength and also the efficiency of the immune system. Some individuals inherit traits that make them more resistant to certain diseases, while others may be predisposed to autoimmune conditions. Environmental factors also is a major influencer of immunity. For instance, pollution can weaken our defenses, while the seasonal changes can challenge our immune system, often leading to get cold or flu. And the last but not least, the lifestyle. So our daily habit serve as the foundation for healthy immune system, influencing its ability to protect us against illnesses and keep us energized. A well-rounded approach to lifestyle is essential for building a resilient and also enhancing immune health. So there are like a number of different pillars within the lifestyle that can influence immunity, and that's actually the focus of the future modules. And we are going to cover those techniques that can be used under each pillar to boost the immune system and also vitality. So the very first one is the managing stress. So calming the nervous system. It's very important because the chronic stress triggered the release of cortisol, which suppresses the immune function over time. And then we are going to have a dedicated module on this, so that can help you to better understand the nervous system and how it actually acts, and how you can just manage and master the nervous system in order to properly boost your immune system. Also, in terms of the diet, so nutrition-rich diet, fuel for defenses. They are fuel for defenses. So a balanced diet provide the vitamins, minerals, and also antioxidant that the immune system relies on to function effectively. Again, we're going to have another dedicated module on the diet and the things that you can use to make sure you're continuously boosting your immune system. Also, sleep is another key pillar, which is where the body goes to repair mode. And during the deepest sleep, actually, immune system are activated to repair damages, fight infection, and regulate inflammation. And then chronic sleep deprivation can weaken the immune system. Also, exercise and also can have an impact. So as I mentioned, in the future module, we are going to go through each of these pillars to help you better understand the techniques that you need to use in order to boost your immune system. All right, so this module is just the beginning. So we're going to explore we explored actually what the immune system is and also how it works. We're going to shift the gears to actionable strategies in the future module, so that we're going to cover how things like diet and also building proper nervous system can help you to just continuously boost your immune system vitality. So stay tuned and see you soon. Thanks.